Hey guys, congratulations on making it through a really tough week in this class. I am very proud of you for hanging in there. I'm seeing a lot of good stuff in the discussions. You guys are learning together, and that's what the discussions are all about, is asking each other questions and pushing each other to think through the information that's been presented. This week is also a pretty tough week in the class. You're going to be working on horizontal and vertical analysis. I'm including a very basic example to help you understand the difference between the two. I'm going to let you go ahead and choose the balance sheet that you want to use for your horizontal and vertical analysis. In the homework assignment instructions, it says to use a specific one that's provided, but if you'd like to use something different, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure that you analyze both sides of the balance sheet. So sometimes you'll see examples where only a few line items or just the assets are analyzed, but I'm looking for you to do both. I encourage you to use Excel. It may require a little bit of typing up front, but please use Excel so that you can use your formulas, and that will do the calculations for you very, very quickly, so it doesn't take a lot of time. I want you to spend more time on the analysis, not just performing manual calculations. If you have questions about that, please let me know. Have a great week, guys, and let me know what you need. Take care.